Today's video is so exciting. I cannot even wait to show you. Oh my goodness. I'm shook. I'm shook the house. Okay. Hey guys, it's Mad. Welcome back to my channel, and welcome to my channel if you are new. And if you are new, make sure you click that subscribe button, become part of the trendiest place on the internet. In today's video, I am going to be unboxing the Lush Life gift box from Lush. This is what it looks like. Here she is. We have so much stuff, and I'm going to be going through every single item with you guys. And the retail price of this is $239.95. I know. You know, we don't have to talk about it. So this is the box. I'm just gonna be opening it up with you guys, and you guys love my Lush videos, so I thought, why not do a little haul with everything that's in the Lush Life box? I also did a haul of this on TikTok as well. If you guys want to follow my TikTok, it's @MadThreads or whatever. I post there occasionally. I'm trying to get better at it, so please be patient with me. This is the box, and I love the pattern. I think I'm just gonna use this to store my bath bombs, honestly, because I have probably at this time around 40 or 50 bath bombs overall, so I need somewhere to store them, and this is perfect. So let's open it up. I'm just gonna untie the ropes here. The lid is off. Here we are, we're doing it. This is the first layer of product. So let's start with this. The first item that I see is Rose Jam Shower Gel. This is a classic cult favorite of so many people. This is like one of the most, I feel like one of the most popular Lush shower gels and just products overall. It's such a classic rose scent. There's some vanilla, there's some goji berry, there's actually lactic acid in here, which is a really cool thing to have in a shower gel. It's gonna lightly exfoliate the body chemically. And along with shower gels, we also have the Olive Branch shower gel, which is my personal all-time favorite. It is a really nice, warm, citrusy olive oil scent. It's really hydrating on my skin. It has some mandarin, bergamot, olive oil, lemon oil, orange flower. So there's lots of like warm, citrusy scents in here if that's your thing. The next product is one that I'm like, about. This is the Whoosh shower jelly, and the shower jellies are nice. They're just like a kind of jelly product, like a jelly shower gel. They're really cool and different, but it's just not really something that I personally love. But overall, this, not really a favorite of mine. I think it's difficult to use, and I feel like it's better for kids, so I may give this to somebody. Next product is my favorite body scrub from Lush. It is Rub Rub Rub. This is the same scent as the Sakura Bath Bomb. This is my personal favorite Lush scent that they carry overall. Like, there's no scent at Lush that beats Sakura. For me, it's the Sakura for me, honestly. I love it. It's just like a nice orange blossom, like mimosa scent with some sea salt in there. And most of the stuff in this box I have tried. This is a product I have never tried from Lush. This is the Pink Peppermint Foot Lotion, and I feel like it's just really expensive. It's like $28. I'm also not the biggest fan of peppermint scents, but this is really nice, and if you're using it on your feet, I feel like it would be kind of nice. This is a cool product. I feel like for the price, probably not worth it. Then we have my favorite lotion from Lush. This is Charity Pot. Of course, Charity Pot overall is amazing because it's 100% donation, but also the scent of it and the consistency is just super thick and creamy, and it just has such a light scent. We have Helping Hands, which is a really nice hand lotion. This is one that I also love a lot. I'm gonna throw this in my purse with me because I like the size of this. I wish they sold this size of hand lotions regularly. Usually they only sell the size that's this one, but I wish they had this like half size because it's a lot easier to throw in your purse, or I wish they had a hand cream that came in a squeezy bottle because it's a lot more convenient for on the go and not as much germ introduction to the container. But overall, I like Helping Hands. I also like Handy Guru Goo a little bit better, but I still like Helping Hands. Sorry about the siren. Waiting for it to go by. All right, next is Ocean Salt Face and Body Scrub. I have about 6 Ocean Salts in my apartment right now. It's a really nice body scrub. I definitely don't use this on my face because it is a little harsh, but for my body, especially in the winter with my dry skin, Ocean Salt is super hydrating. There's like a lot of mango butter in here, There's some grapefruit, some lime extracted in vodka that's gonna help brighten the skin. So this is a nice hydrating scrub for the body, and I feel like I don't even have to put moisturizer on my body after using this. Next we have Rose Argan Body Conditioner. This one's fine. I love the smell. Same smell as Rose Jam. Really creamy and hydrating, but I feel like I would just rather use this as a body lotion rather than an in-shower body lotion. I feel like rinsing it off doesn't do anything for me, so honestly, I just use this as a body lotion. I don't know if that's like okay, but I do it. Okay, so that's it for the first layer of the box. Then we take this out. Okay, and we have the second layer. There's something in here that I don't like the smell of. I don't know what it is. It could be the mix of smells, but it smells like candy and I hate sweet scents like that. Next, I have a bubblegum lip scrub. I have about 5 of these already, so this is probably one that I will give to like a family member or a friend because I have way too many bubblegum lip scrubs. That's just the facts. We have Outback Mate soap. Of course, this is a classic eucalyptus mint lemongrassy type of scent. We use bar soaps for like both of our bathrooms, for our hands. We can never really have too many bar soaps, which is great. And then it also comes with a Karma soap, and it's like this round one. Just when I thought I couldn't have too many bar soaps, there's another bar soap. This is Honey I Wash the Kids though. I love this soap. Actually, when I'm healing my tattoos, I use this on my tattoos, like in between the antibacterial washes. This is nice and hydrating for the skin. Okay, this I'm very excited to try. This is the Big Solid Conditioner. I have never used this one. I've used Jungle and I've used the Golden Cap, but I've never used Big, so I'm very excited for it. I'm currently using Rehab and Veganese from Lush, but I'm really excited to introduce this as well as this. This is the Scenic shampoo bar. Kind of smells like Rub 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 and Sakura, but I don't know if that's just me like making things up. Yes! Oh my gosh, I just ran out of my Boom Toothy tabs. This is my favorite toothpaste in the world. Currently I'm using Bluetooth toothpaste jelly from Lush, but I'm not the biggest fan of it. My mouth doesn't necessarily feel as clean as I want it to when I use that. It just feels like I'm rubbing oil on my teeth. I'm so excited. Oh, I just ran out. So if you guys have not tried the Toothy tabs, Boom, best one, hands down, period. Oh my gosh. Okay, yes, I'm excited about this. This is Wiki Magic Muscles massage bar, and me and Jack love the massage bars. This is the one with the aduki beans, some cinnamon. So I actually do want to take some of these aduki beans and plant them and see what happens. And it smells like when you walk into AC Moore during the fall time. If y'all know what I mean, give this video a thumbs up because if you know, you know. Yes, I mean, it's broken. This is a Sleepy shower bomb that is very dusty. I love the shower bomb, so I'm not mad about this. Love a good shower bomb. I wish it had more in this box, but we're done with the second layer. Let's go ahead and open the third layer. I can't open it. What the heck? Oh, that was so dusty. I just got bath bomb dust in my eye. Also, if you're unaware, these packing peanuts are completely dissolvable. They're made out of potato starch, so you can just throw them in your sink and wash them away, which is amazing. Oh, wow. Okay, so this bottom layer is all bath bombs and bubble bars. Like I needed more. So the first one we have is Dragon's Egg. I have about 3 of these already. Such a good classic Lush scent, so not mad about it. I think I will use this one probably tonight. Then we have my girl Intergalactic. It will always be one of my favorite Lush bath bombs of all time. The bath art is on point. We have Twilight. You can't go wrong. Period. Love Twilight. If you like lavender, you'll love Twilight. And then we have Sex Bomb. I have about 10 of the Kinky Boots Bubble Bar from the holiday line this year that smells the same. I'll be using those two together. Sunnyside Bubble Bar, another one of my favorites. Nice lemony scent. And this is probably what I was smelling that I hated. I hate this bubble bar. Ooh. Ooh. The comforter, I hate this. I will be giving this to my sister. So that's that. All right, guys, that concludes everything that is in the Lush Life box. Let me know if you guys think that this box is worth the $240 that it costs, or if you think they could have switched it up and added some more one-of-a-kind unique products that are special to the box, because that's overall what I think. I kind of think that they should have had like an exclusive lotion or an exclusive body spray, or even just a body spray in general. There were some nice things in here, but I also feel like they were the most basic Lush products, and of course I'm going to use all of them. I love the box. I'm mostly excited about the shampoo and conditioner, but overall I kind of feel like they could have done a little bit better and made the box a little bit more unique. Otherwise, I love the box. I think it's amazing. I'm happy with it. Let me know what you guys think about this box down in the comments below. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you liked it. Don't forget to click that subscribe button and follow me on Instagram if you want to connect more over there. Feel free to send me a message. I respond to everyone, so hit me up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys in my next video. Have a wonderful rest of your day. Bye, guys.